What's up guys? Today we're gonna make vegan homemade pizza. It's gonna be delicious. Let's do it. Don't be intimidated by making your own pizza dough. It's really easy. What we're wanting to do is just make a nice wettish dough. And I'll show you the bits that we'll put into it and I'll show you the consistency. Don't worry too much about measurements. I want you guys to learn how to feel it. Packet of dry yeast from the supermarket here. We want to go in with about a teaspoon-ish. So you want to get something sweet in there. You could use a bit of sugar, you could use a bit of honey, you could use a bit of maple syrup. I've got some maple syrup knocking around, so I'm just going to put a sort of similar amount to how much yeast I've put in maple syrup. All right, we want a nice bit of sea salt in there, again, 5 grams or so. A bit of olive oil, quite a lot of olive oil. I want this to be quite an oily dough because it will just make it crispy and delicious. Just water, ideally not too cold. By the way, normally I do this in a bowl, so like you don't have to do this douchey thing of, you know, doing a well, because you'll probably make a mess first time. Although I do encourage it, but bowl is fine. When you've got a really wet dough like this, it's gonna, at the beginning, feel like a sticky disaster and you're gonna wanna give up. Persevere, keep working it, and I would suggest instead of adding flour to the surface, add a little bit of oil, and that's gonna help just bring things together and make sure that things aren't sticking. So persevere, let's get kneading. So it's quite, as I said, quite a wet dough. We are gonna now take this, put it in a bowl, cover it with cling film or a tea towel, damp tea towel. I'm just gonna leave it for a few hours. That'll stop the squirrels from falling in. Right, look at this beauty. It is ready to rock and roll. Look at this, so rustic, so honest. There's nothing processed in here, there's nothing gross in here. It's just natural, beautiful ingredients, fresh stuff, that beautiful zest sauce as a base with the garlic and the mushroom and the tomatoes, and then we've just got these beautiful tomatoes, fresh from the farm, some lovely basil, olive oil, balsamic drizzle. I can feel the stickiness of the balsamic here. Let's give it a go. So good, unbelievably sweet from those tomatoes and that balsamic. And the thing is, you can do whatever you want with it. You know, feel like you'll miss the cheese, grab some vegan cheese, put some vegan cheese on it if that's what you're into. But keep it simple, use great local ingredients, keep it honest,